In this video, we were going to do a reconciliation. We're going to reconcile one of the accounts. This will be done each month. Usually you'll do it, obviously after all the transactions are recorded, but you'll do it each month when bank statements come out. And if we're in the bank register, just as an example, we're in the RCB stored out back construction account, which is now closed. But this R comes up in this category, and that just simply means that the transaction's reconciled, which means what's on the bank statement, what the bank has a record of, matches the transactions in QuickBooks. We want them to match. That way we're not missing anything and everything's balanced. So I just want to show you where that shows up and how you know what transactions are and aren't reconciled. But to reconcile, you can reconcile a couple different ways. You can go to this reconciliation tab on the transactions tab here, or you can go to the gear icon and hit reconcile. And it pulls up this page here. Then from here, you just pick the account. So in this case, we're going to do the construction checking bank account. Okay. And then from here, you're actually going to go to your bank statement. And in this case, I've got the September bank statement, and we're looking for a couple different things. We need to put the end date of that statement, which in this case is 10/1/23, and then the last balance that they give us. They give us daily balance information. We want to find the last one. So in this case, 9/21, here's the balance. So for the ending balance it's asking for here, we're going to put this number, this $14,462.59. And in the ending date, it's just simply the closing date of the statement, which is 10/1/23. We're going to hit start reconciling. And there's a difference that pops up right here. There's actually a good video on the QuickBooks help about reconciling an account as well. It's very similar to this one. If you want to look at that, you'll hit, this is what we need to account for in this month. So just based upon all of the line items on the statement, we just want to ensure that they match. The amount matches, and it's also a good opportunity just to make sure that we have all the categorizations and whatnot correct. So the first transaction on 9/6 for $940.71 is correct. It looks like these are all transfer outs from this checking 5776. We have one on 9/11 for that amount of money. We have one on 9/11 for that. 920, boom. You see up here, we're wanting the $0 and the green check mark. If we're off, we need to start thinking, okay, let's go find the mistake. Let's go see if we miskeyed something, starting with make sure the balance is correct that we typed in, and then obviously make sure all the amounts are correct and they match. We're looking for this green checkbox here, and once we have it, we're going to hit finish now. And that's all you have to do. We just go on and do the next statement for the next account that we need to do.